going with that? Oh, whoa. Ah, little thief.
Hey, buddy, that's not a toy.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
making a mess, little guy.
Let me have that.
Nope? Okay.
You're fierce. Hey, tough guy. You looking at me? Alright, come here. Yeah, you're not so bad. There it is. Big brave kitty.
You want to snack that bad, huh? You're putting on quite the show. Alright, alright. Here you go. Yeah.
Oh, buddy, that was a choice, huh? You stuck? All right, come here. It's okay. I've got you. There we go. Down you come. You're all right. Ready?
Get it, buddy.
Oh, there goes the tail.
Whoops, that bowl too.
You are chaos and stripes. You know that?
Where'd it go? Oh. There.
And the mug's gone. Great.
All right, Tornado, I think you win.
Come on, buddy, inside now! The water's rising. Come here. Come on, sweet boy. Oh, stop. I got you. Here. Good. I've got you. Oh my gosh, it's still coming. You're safe, Rusty.
Oh, no, buddy. What did you do? You stuck? Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Hold on, let me help you out. Stay still. There we go. Hi, pretty face. You okay? Yeah, I told you that's not food.
Oh, no. Pebble, you did not just... Ugh. Are you serious right now? You're just gonna sit there? Like nothing happened? Uh-huh. Staring at me all cute's not gonna fix this puddle, bud.
Oh, buddy, what have you done? Can't see anything, can you? All right, hold still. Let me help. There we go. Oh, look at those eyes, you silly thing. You gotta be kidding me. Look at him go. All right, little surfer.
Olive, you just knocked it over. Are you serious right now?
She doesn't care at all.
Look at her face.
Like nothing happened. Inside! Come on, come on, come on! Hurry, hurry, right here! Right here, baby! Go, go, get back! Holy, it's gone, it's gone. You okay, Pumpkin?
Fudge, inside. Come on, baby, come inside now. Smudge, hurry, get in here, now!
Evening, buddy. You know why I stopped you? Yeah, 35 and a 20. That's a no-go. License and registration, please. Appreciate it. Mr. Whiskers, huh? Cute photo. All right, sit tight. I'll let you off with a warning. Keep it slow, yeah?
Yeah, I see you up there. You stuck? All right, hold on. Come here, buddy. I gotcha, gotcha. You're okay now.
Evening, license and registration, please. Yeah, you're going a bit fast through the neighborhood. You know how fast you were going? Stay right. Hey! Stop! Stop the car! Dispatch, suspect's fleeing on in vehicle. I'm in foot pursuit.